Hello students, welcome to my educational channel Subho Tutorial. As usual, I am back again with a new video. Today I have given a practice set for you to solve. Okay, so without much ado, let's start. Basic English grammar parts of speech. Classify the underlined words according to the parts of speech. Number 1, where is Priya? Underlined words is Priya. Number 2, the sun shines brightly. Underlined words is brightly. Number 3, John lives in Jaipur. Underlined word is in. Number 4, we are good boys. Underlined words is we. Number 5, hurrah, we have won the match. Underlined word is hurrah. Number 6, cats see in the dark. Underlined word is see. Number 7, Mumbai is a big city. Underlined word is big. Number 8, I can read and write English. Underlined word is and. Number 9, my car is white. Underlined word is car. Number 10, Ram writes slowly. Underlined word is slowly. Number 11, they are poor but honest. Underlined word is they. Number 12, the map is on the wall. Underlined word is on. Number 13, the man is tall. Underlined word is tall. Number 14, birds sing. Underlined word is sing. Okay.